Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can download the program in INVT PLC. Which model I'm using? INVT IVC1L-3624MAT. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our AutoStation software. In previous video, I explained about the upload program, and now in this video we will understand about the how we can create some small program and download into the PLC. First of all, we have to create the new project. Just click it on the new project, and here you have to give your program name. An example, we can write the name download, and this is your model. This you can choose from here, IVC1, IVC1L. Which model you have, you can select it from here. I have IVC1L, so I will type this PLC type IVC1L. And which type you like to make the program? Here three methods: instruction list and SFC. We are making the program in ladder chart, so we will select the ladder chart. And here you have to select your project description. Any you can like to give the description, otherwise you like to leave it empty, no problem, and click it OK. And program DFA has been changed. This is old program, we no like to be saved, so we click no, nothing issue. And now you can see this is program is now showing it here in the project manager. Download IVC1L, this program will make, and this is the program block, this is the main, and now we are making in the main program. This software look like all file, edit, view, ladder, PLC, debug, tool, window, help. These things you can see it here. Very simple and easy method. First of all, we will choose one open contact, and simply when you click it on this open contact, you will find this normally open contact. Here you have to type the number of your contact. This language is X. If you like to need X, M memory, SM memory, you need to counter, timer, output Y, LM, S. What you need, you have to select from here. We need X, and first bit we need, this is the 0 element. You can see this is an increased numbers when you click it here. Which number you need, you can also just like type in the any X0, you can easily type in the X0 and click it OK. You can see it's very simple, placed in the ladder window. And next we need to take the open contact. For an example, we are making this latch and latch program, so we will take next one, close contact, and you can see this is the normally closed contact. And which number you need, for an example, second bit we will take for the close contact, X1, and click it OK. It will be placed very easily. And next we need the coil. For an example, we need the first bit, yani Y0 output, we will click it OK, and this will be ready Y0. And now we need to hold, for an example, X0, and we need one more bit open contact of the Y0. We will place it here. This we will type the Y and same and click OK. This will be placed. And now you have to link this line with the upper line. So how can this, you can choose, this is now going, so you have to go back also. Option have here, when you click it, this will go back. Otherwise when you click it there, same line will appear. And if you like to go back, you can click it here, this will go back. So you have to click it here, and after you can select it here. But this line look like not same placed, you have to click it and the X1. After when you click this line, after this line will be placed. Now this is simple small program ready for the latch and latch is ready. And if you like to give the comments, for example, it's very simple and easy method. You can click it on the X0 and simply go to the modify element comments. For an example, here I will give the motor start. This is my start button, and click it OK, and start will be placed. And this, if you like to give the name modify comment, and you can type the stop. and this comment will be shown. And if you like to make also this is for name, you can modify comment, can type it here motor. Any comment if you like to be typed, you can click it OK. Very simple and easy method. You can see this is all comments are ready, and now this program we will download into the PLC. Go to the PLC section, and here you can see the download. Click it on download and click OK, and again click it on the download, and you can see this is now program is starting download. As this program download will be complete, this message will become, are you sure to set the PLC to run state? Click yes, your PLC is in now run mode. Cancel this one, and now you like to be monitor this program, so simply click it on this icon look like PC monitor and click OK. You can see this line will be color changed. This is the blue color, and this is close contact also indicated. Now when we press our X0, you will be see after our output will be on. You can see this is Y0 is now latched, and when you again press this X1, it will be stop, right? Again I will press X0, you can see our Y0 is on, and when I press the X1, after Y0 will be off. So hope guys you will be understand about this download program, how we can download the program into the INVT PLC. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.